Let's do a quick demonstration of how easy it is to do a cut recovery process on a MachMotion Waterjet. We've got our logo here that we are working on, and we press stop, and now we want to recover. To do so, we jog the machine close to where we want to start. We can see on the toolpath the thick red lines are where the machine is, and the green lines indicate the planned path. We just need to be kind of close, not exact. Then we press this cut recovery button here, and the machine will get on path. You can see it does a quick calculation to decide the closest path to jump to, which is why we don't have to be exact. We have our jet station selected. We are only cutting them with head 1 for this one, so we are good to go. Press cycle start and run. This is a Waterjet jet recovery on MachMotion. Thank you.